Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you people are doing absolutely great because that is what life is meant to be, isn't it? It is meant to be great and awesome. And to all those lovely viewers and subscribers out there, I want to tell you all that you people are lovely, you people are awesome, and thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for watching the Powerpuff Girl. Okay, so I guess you guys have already understood that what kind of videos I'm going to make. It is going to be mostly the type of videos where I'm trying to share with you guys a kind of social messages. Today's video is also that kind of video where I'm trying to share a very important social issue with you guys, a very important social problem, and how you can stay away from that problem. So let's go. You know what I have noticed recently is that everybody wants to be a feminist these days. You know, being a feminist is like a fashion trend where it feels so cool and so awesome to be a feminist. Cue for all self-titled feminists to appear out of the woodwork. You know, over the past few years, I have noticed quite a resurgence of feminism, which got me interested into knowing the definition, the actual definition of feminism. So I went through a lot of researches, I studied lots of books. I am a political science graduate by myself. So after analyzing all the political and philosophical definitions, which I'm not going to say you and bore you, I came up with a very simple definition, and which is very simple, very crisp and very short. Feminism just means equality. Yeah, it's so simple as that. It just means equality. Being a feminist is inherent to being a human being. You know, it is embracing the fact that like every other human being, we bleed, we sweat, we have hopes and aspirations of ourselves, we doubt, we have got fear, and we love, we break hearts, and you just people out there who are not females or who are not feminists, just accept us without being judgmental. That is all feminism means. You really don't have much to understand over here, or there is not much difference being a feminist or fighting for equality. So like every other story that has got a tragic turn, the story of feminism too has got that one. Ooh, that rhymed. So let me introduce with the tragedy of feminism. There are certain creatures on this earth who are, for me, labeled as fake feminists. Yes, this is the tragedy of the story, of the beautiful story, feminism. And these people, these fake feminists, if I may take the liberty to say this, they are everywhere. EVERYWHERE. Yes, they are everywhere. They are hidden amongst us silently, sometimes loudly, making us their presence felt. And you know what? They feed on brain matter. Like, you know, like the zombies who come after our brain to eat our brain, like brain. And they just do not stop there. They replace a now empty hollow skull with fake notions of feminism. These creatures resemble, I don't know, human beings? Yes, they have got that power. They possess that power to look like one of us. But I tell you, this is just a shell. They're looking like human being is just a shell. It's a mask. And you know what? These people are on this planet, these creatures are on this planet to spread confusion, which will lead to definite animosity between people, turning them against one another and resorting to a very simple, not so serious issue, which is, I don't know, maybe murder. So that slowly and gradually human beings are wiped out and the earth is left free for the consumption of aforementioned creatures. You know what is their ultimate goal is? What they're planning is complete annihilation of humanity and the colonization of earth by spreading confusion and misunderstandings. Calm down, okay. You know, when I get very angry, I just laugh. So it would do you absolutely good if you maintain a safe amount of distance between yourself and these said creatures. And today I'm making this video for your help. I'm reaching out for your help from my house, from this room out here, to just make you understand, guys, that how you can detect these said creatures. You know, the common things they do, the common things they say. So let's go. Number 1, we don't need men. We are so strong by ourselves. We don't need any sort of man in our lives. We are completely self-dependent. We are independent. Shun men. A world without men would be a better place. You know, this very human beings, or this very said fake feminists, are in reality this. ड्राइवर काका गाड़ी निकालो, मुझको मॉल पे जाना है, मुझको ड्राइविंग नहीं आती, जल्दी से गाड़ी निकालो। फिर से लाइट चली गई। उफ रामू काका, फ्यूज ठीक करवाओ। पापा मुझको थोड़े पैसे चाहिए, बस 50,000 ही चलेगा। वो मुझको नया मेकअप, नया ड्रेस खरीदना है, कल पार्टी है ना आकांक्षा के घर, इसीलिए सिर्फ 50,000 ही चलेगा। हाँ पापा, दे दो ना पापा। Number 2, all women are awesome. Oh really? What would you say about your neighborhood auntie who doesn't have a better work to do than just check your bra size? Is she awesome too? Number 3, all men ever want is sex. Havas ke pujari. Anyone? You know, I have nothing to say to this, guys. These people are so stupid. I feel pity about them. You know, who doesn't need it? Everybody needs it. Everybody. And if you don't need it, then you either still believe that your parents brought you from a fair or a mela, or just like my parents who told me that they brought me from a garbage can, which can be true. Or maybe you are this. बेटी, ये संसार, ये मनुष्य, सब मोह माया है। सब त्याग दो, सब कुछ त्याग दो, ये सब मोह माया है। Well, that seemed like a shining career. Should I give it a second thought? Number 4, men cannot be a feminist because, well, they are men. You know, it's like thinking a person who sells underwears cannot wear underwear because, come on, he sells them. You know, there are men out there who fight for equality, who fight for feminism, who fight for female rights. There are lots of guys out there and I know them. They are just lovely human beings. They are just lovely people. Okay, number 5, or lastly, all men sucks or all men are dogs. You know, what would I say to people who say such things? You should go back home and check on your father because he is really disappointed on you. Really disappointed on you when you say all men are dogs and all men suck. Okay, so I hope you already have guessed that how these fake feminist creatures are dangerous, not only for me, not only for you, but for the entire humanity. Therefore, follow this guide closely and spread the awareness. You know, share this video as much as you want to, your friends, to your family members, to your relatives, and save them from the fake feminists. Just save them. And also, if you guys really think that this video is worth watching, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Write down your valuable comments below, and do not forget to subscribe. Tell each and everyone you meet that there is a mad girl out there on YouTube whom you need to subscribe as fast as you can, just as soon as possible, ASAP. So just subscribe, show me your love, and stay tuned to my channel. Also guys, I would like you people to give me ideas about what new video should I come up with. I want you guys to tell me what kind of video should I make. And if I follow your idea, if I take up your idea, then on that particular video I'll specifically mention your name with lots of love. it would be really awesome and really interesting to see what people want from me, what people want to see from me, and I hope it will be really great work done with the help of you guys. So just go for it. So just write down what you want to see more from me, what kind of videos you would like to watch, and what kind of video should I work on with. And be happy always. Just be happy. Forget all the worries, forget all the sad things, negative things that your life is filled up with. Just be happy with me. This is me, Debolina. This is me, the Powerpuff Girl, signing off. So until next time we meet, take care. Bye.